A smart contract sent $50 million to the wrong address in under a minute. No one stole it. The code asked for it. June 2016. The DAO, a decentralized investment fund built on Ethereum. $150 million locked inside. An attacker found a gap in the code, not a backdoor, but a logical flaw. They called a function. That function called itself again before the first execution finished. Money drained. $60 million. The contract kept paying because it never checked if the account was already being drained. This was re-entrancy, a recursive loop that exploits the order of operations in blockchain code. The attacker didn't need admin access. They didn't crack encryption. They just understood that the contract checked balances after it sent money, not before. Timing matters in code. Sequence matters. One misplaced instruction ruins everything. Flash loans emerged later, around 2020. DYDX and other platforms offered them. Borrow millions, execute trades, repay within the same transaction. Zero collateral required. The catch: if you couldn't repay in that single block, the entire transaction reverses. It sounds safe. It wasn't. Attackers borrowed millions, manipulated prices across multiple platforms in seconds, and profited before repayment came due. Oracle manipulation is subtler. DeFi protocols need external price data. What's Bitcoin worth right now? They trust oracles to provide it. Some protocols trusted a single source. Attackers bought small amounts of a token on that exchange, inflating its price artificially. The oracle reported the spike as truth. The protocol borrowed against it. Price crashed. The attacker walked away. The protocol lost millions. These aren't myths. Pancake Bunny lost $45 million to flash loans in May 2021. Harvest Finance, $34 million in October 2020. BZX, multiple exploits totaling millions. Each time, the code worked exactly as written. The vulnerability wasn't a bug. It was an assumption. Developers assumed sequences couldn't be reordered. Assumed prices couldn't be manipulated in seconds. Assumed attackers lacked capital. The fix: checks affects interactions pattern. Verify balances before sending. Use decentralized price feeds instead of single sources. Add time delays between operations. But these solutions cost gas. They slow transactions. They reduce profit margins. The incentives don't always align. Security and speed war. Speed usually wins until it doesn't. DeFi exploits reveal something fundamental about decentralized systems. There's no customer service line to call, no fraud department, no insurance beyond what's written into the contract. The code is law, and the code doesn't forgive mistakes. It just executes them perfectly at scale forever. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Subscribe to see the next financial system collapse before it happens. These patterns repeat, and we document them. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research.